Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will begin by verifying prerequisites so changes stick. First, open settings and confirm time zone and region match your location. Once done, make sure your internet connection is stable and any firewall rules permit outbound NTP or access to time. Windows. COM. Then run command prompt as administrator. You need elevated rights to restart the Windows time service and edit registry keys safely. These steps prevent permission errors and network blocks that commonly stop sync from starting. You will now reset the Windows time service to clear corrupt state. First, stop and unregister the service. This removes bad configuration remnants. Once unregistered, re-register and start the service to recreate default settings. Then force a sync with W32TM/resync and check status with W32TM/query/status so you can see errors or successful offsets. If the command returns access denied, run the same commands from an elevated prompt. These steps repair service-level faults quickly and predictably. Finish by applying advanced fixes if reset didn't work. You may adjust the W32 time registry keys to change special poll interval or NTP server. Do this cautiously and export keys first. If the default server fails, switch to time. Google, COM or pool, NTP, org and force resync. Once done, verify events in Event Viewer under System for W32 time entries and confirm Windows Update hasn't pending patches blocking time service. If problems persist, reboot, rerun the resync, and consider checking domain controller sync when on a corporate network.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.